Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking vegetables in eggy sauce. So let's start cooking. Now we'll start to put our dish together. Heat up your wok using medium-low heat. Add in a good amount of oil. We need a little bit more oil for this dish because we need to bring out the fragrance from the ginger and the garlic. Add in 1 thumb-sized ginger sliced thinly like this. Young ginger will be good. If not, you can use old ginger, no problem. 4 cloves of garlic, halve them so that the flavors can be released easily. Put them all in. We need to fry them until we can smell them and brown them a little. So use medium-low heat or low heat to slowly bring out the flavor. Move them around, we don't want to burn them. Almost immediately I can smell the beautiful fragrances. I'll just brown them a little first. This dish is very easy to put together and it's very good with steamed rice or even with noodles. Once the garlic has started to brown, we'll add in our cuttlefish floss. Add about 8 grams of cuttlefish floss. Rinse them first and then just put it in. Move them around. We just need to get the fragrance out. If you do not have cuttlefish floss, you can replace them with dried shrimps, or if you really don't have both, then just omit them, no problem at all. Well, almost immediately I can smell it. Very nice. We'll now add in water. 300 milliliters of water at the end. Add in half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in a pinch of sugar. Stir them up and mix them up well. We'll wait for this to come to a boil and then we'll taste it to see whether it's savory enough for us before deciding whether we need to add in any salt or not. The cuttlefish actually give this dish a very nice umami taste. And this is what makes this very, very special. The combination of the garlic, the ginger, as well as the cuttlefish is really fantastic. Once it starts to boil, we'll taste it. The taste is very good, but I reckon we need a little bit of salt. Just a pinch of salt. Mix up well. And now we'll add in our baby kailan, 200 grams of it. If you do not have baby kailan, you can use any greens that you like. It can be chai shim, it can be cabbage, no problem. Stir them around, wilt them a little bit. Try not to cook them until they are fully done because otherwise it will be too fibrous and too overcooked. Once you see most of the leaf have wilted, we just push them aside and thicken up this sauce. We'll thicken up the sauce with cornstarch solution. Don't make it too thick because we'll be adding an egg in. So something like this will be good. Now we'll pop in 1 whole chili. I've actually sliced them in half and taken out the seed. If you don't want it to be spicy, just omit the chili, is fine. Now we'll pour in our eggs and stir while we pour it in. Put it all together now. Give it a mix. Look at how beautiful this is. Now we'll splash half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. If you don't take alcohol, you can just omit this, no problem. Splash it by the side. A few dashes of pepper. Lightly mix it up again. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's try this now. The egg sauce, the umami taste from the cuttlefish floss, this is really, really good. I bet I can finish 2 bowls of rice with this. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.